and you end up crying alone. Nothing was faster to bring your mind and body back to balance than a good laugh. Remember the saying, laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the expression of humor, and humor can be found anywhere, anytime and any situation. So, laugh it out.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good. The laughter is best done in a standing posture. So please stand and make a circle around. So now we are asked similar questions about laughter. How many times in an hour you laugh? 24 hours.
Big lie, big lie.
Big laughter. Yes, normally how many times we laugh in 1 hour?
In 1 hour, maybe 5 times.
In one day, how many times you laugh?
30-40 times.
In one day, how many times you laugh?
Maybe 10 times.
How many times in one day? Hardly. How many times you laugh in a day?
15 or 10. 10 or 15.
10 or 15 times. Very good. How many times in a day? How many times in a day? 60. So you know the children. A small baby born 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. How many times a baby laughs in a day?
Always.
Always. How many times baby laughs in a day? Always. How many times baby laughs in a day? Always. Okay. So by natural instincts, we are meant to be laughing, meant to be happy by natural instincts. By nature's grace, we are meant to be always laughing, happy, nice, graceful. But as we keep growing, the laughter keeps receding. Depression and stress and other things keep increasing and the laughter keeps reducing. Money also. So let's take an oath. Arm up, up, up. Take back and take an oath that next 45 minutes we'll behave like a child, act like a child, laugh like a child, sometimes cry also like a child. And make the best of this laughter session. Okay, back. Now, some benefits Mr. De Silva already spoke about laughter, but laughter has lots of benefits. So let's see how many benefits you people know. What benefits laughter has? Madhwan ji, give him a big hand, our Guruji. He will tell some more benefit of laughter.
Laughter is the best medicine. And laughter keep you longer life. Laughter will keep you doctor away.
Okay, what are the other benefits of laughter?
You are always happy.
You are always happy. And what happiness brings to the body and mind?
Peace.
Peace.
Happiness.
Happiness.
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment. What happiness brings to body and mind?
People come closer to you when you smile.
Yes, you become a very, very strong magnet. You know, life, relationships is all magnet. How strong magnet you are, conscious level, thought level, body level, mind level, it all depends how happy you are from within. People who are well happy within, happy outside, always attract other people and always are excellent in their relationships. And all your life success, whether it is business, prosperity, marketing, studies, friendship, it all depends on how good you are in your relationships. And happiness brings a lot to the relationships. What other benefits you can think?
Always happy and healthy.
Okay, when you're always happy, you're always healthy. Very good. Any other?
Energizes your mind and body.
Laughter, even if you are tired, just try 10-15 minutes. Go in front of the mirror in the bathroom, laugh for 10 minutes, come out of the bathroom. After 10 minutes, you will find yourself fully energized and happy. Try, and these are called instant medicines. No need of any antibiotic or any rum or any beer. All this laughter can substitute all this. Yes, what are the benefits?
Keeps the worries away.
Laughter keeps all your worries away. Laughter is a very good meditation. Normally what happens in meditation? In meditation all our thoughts keep receding and we come to very few thoughts or thoughtlessness. In that state of mind we feel ourselves very, very happy. Same thing happens with continuous laughter. The intellectual part of the mind goes away and we become children, as we have already pledged, committed that we are now very small children, and then the intellectual, the tense part of the mind goes away and we come into a state which is total happiness. Yes, sir.
Yeah, when you start laughing, even the crying people around you or sad people around you will also laugh.
Laughter is very contagious. The most contagious is laughter. You know, when contagious diseases spread, we call it epidemic. And when laughter starts, we call it happydemic. So let us spread today happydemic in the society. So it's a part of being happydemic. Yes, any other benefits?
Brightness on our face.
Ah, how bright she looks, see? Because Manu is next to her. Okay, excellent.
She knows very well.
She knows very well. And now he's also looking bright. Because he's next to you. And now she's looking bright. Because you're next to him. And he's looking bright. See how contagious is laughter. It spreads the brightness, happiness. We have seen the example that it really brings youthfulness on your face. The people who are good in laughing and happy, they are seldom old. They are not at all old at heart and they are not at all old at body. Because your brightness, your facial expressions, all your muscles get a lot of exercise in the laughter. Muscles at every level of facial expression gets laughter. So you are very, very happy about it. Yes, any other benefits?
Stress and strain, you can remove all stress and strain by laughter.
Yeah, first of all, don't get stress and strain. don't worry about your spouse, don't worry about your boss. So don't get stress and strain. And if you happen to get, then you remove it through laughter.
Benefit of
Yeah, the benefit is that you can remove it through laughter. हाँ जी मम्मी जी, और क्या laughter के फायदे?
बहुत फायदे हैं।
क्या फायदे हैं?
खुशी होती है, जिंदगी बढ़ती है, आयु लंबी होती है।
आयु लंबी होती है, खुशी होती है, जिंदगी बढ़ती है,
रोग दूर हो जाते हैं।
रोग दूर हो जाते हैं। Okay, give her a big hand. Ha ha ho ho clapping, that is acupressure. Then after 3-4 times clapping, when I say down, then we'll be doing forward bending, exhaling, back bending, inhaling, 2 times exhaling, 2 times inhaling. While coming second time on inhaling, we'll start a laughter. So I'll give different names to the laughter and accordingly we'll laugh. The first laughter is called greetings laughter. In greetings laughter, the rules of the laughter are 2. One is that you should be totally social like a child. Don't mix only with your friends, mix with everybody, make everybody friend. So after every laughter, move around and change the place. The second is eye-to-eye contact. When you are laughing, see other people eye-to-eye, make eye-to-eye contact, and then it becomes more contagious. When you have eye-to-eye contact, it becomes more contagious, it becomes more. Hello, Mr. So the first one is called greetings laughter. In greetings laughter, you can shake hand with the next person, you can say namaskar, you can say salam alaikum, adab, whatever you like to say, you can say accordingly. So let's have ha, ha, ho, 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 ha, ho, ho, ho. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and now greetings laughter. Joyfulness. So we'll be mixing a nice milkshake with mango. That means we are mixing our joyful emotions and having a cocktail. So it will be expression like this, and drinking. So ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha, ho, 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 ha. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and make your cocktail. And drink it. And one more time, make your cocktail. And drink it. iPhone 4, iPhone 5 or BlackBerry latest model, and you'll be having a mobile talking to somebody and always keep laughing with the mobile. So it's called mobile laughter. Ha! Ha! Come nearer, come nearer. And mobile laughter. The people, so it's appreciation laughter. It's appreciation laughter. Ha ha ho ho ho.
Mobile laughter.
Okay, come back. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Okay, so we'll have a full hog laughter 3 times, full laughter. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Start full fail laughter.